Welcome back to my establishment. It is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Turkey Day. It's the giving of thanks. The thanks of giving. Yeah. Give thanks. So today you will be getting a ponytail tutorial. For this video, I have 2 packs of Passion Twist hair, the free choice. Well, it's not really free choice. It's model water wave hair, 22 inches, the color 27 and the color 30. I was supposed to save the little things that come with it, but I got mad with this hair and I threw it away. So but luckily I saved the ponytail because I was really finna throw that away soon, to be honest. Now let me tell y'all something. This ponytail don't really 100% match my hair color. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The lighter color does, but the darker color probably does not. But you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. So this is the last episode of the Detachable series. I'll show y'all how I make this pony, how I put it on. You'll see me in 2 different settings. You'll see me in my dorm room setting, well, apartment setting, and you'll see me here. That's really it. I'm just showing y'all how I make it. I hope y'all have a good Thanksgiving. And then next month we started off with in the scrunchie, and then you make sure it's knotted, and then you pull the rubber bands up to make sure it's secure. You feel me? Do you feel me? And that's how you start. hope y'all enjoy. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your mom, your daddy, this is your other, your brother, your cousin. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video.